warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello. Introducing, my name is Sindalena Putri from class MN22C. I will be presenting the fourth season assignment, this season 12. Okay, let's start. Here I will explain the product that I offer. My product is named Bursum. I am sure you are familiar with this name. Why did I choose this product? Because I want to develop traditional food to the more famous. Bubur sumsum is a kit of food in the form of white forage made from rice, flour, and eating with sweet sauce. Vision and mission: making snack food that can provide maximum benefit and minimum sacrifice for customer. Mission: prioritizing excellent service and quality. 2. Introducing processing agricultural product to the community through innovative dan kreatif. Its ingredient. How to make it? The price. Dissolve your rice flour in 200 grams of coconut milk. Stir well. 2. Mix the remaining coconut milk with salt and pandan leaven. Cook over medium heat until boiling and reach flour solution. Stir until the mixture boil again. 3. After the pouring in soft and cooking, remove and set aside. 4. Brown sugar, salt, mix brown sugar, granulated sugar, water, and pandan leaven in a salt sieve. Cook until sugar dissolves and boils. Remove in the brown sugar solids filter. For the marrow, falling into a service bowl, the rest with brown sugar solids. That's enough for me. Sorry if there is an error in speaking. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.